Guys, and welcome to my channel. It's been super hot lately in Nairobi, and let's just be honest, our hair is dry. um Even though my hair is in braids, which is a protective style, I still need to moisturize it. I still need to keep my hair moisturized in the protective style. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do that today, how I do it. First thing I do, I section my hair to make it easier for me to work with it, and to keep the hair that I haven't moisturized separate from the hair that I've moisturized. Okay, so I hold my hair up in two pigtails, and I like to start from the back when I'm moisturizing my hair. For no reason in particular, I just find it easier to start from the back, working to the front, sorry. And what I do is I go in with my spray bottle, which has just plain water, just water from anywhere, from a tap, and some drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is really good because it helps your scalp. If you have an itchy scalp, it reduces the itching. It's quickly absorbed into the scalp, so you don't have buildup on your roots. So I start from the back. I separate some of my hair from the pigtail, and I spray it with the water. I have to spray till where my hair reaches, that all my hair is moisturized. Okay, you make your hair slightly damp, then afterwards I go in with some avocado oil. I like avocado oil because it's not too heavy. I don't like heavy oils. And I put it on my scalp. I also do this with tea tree oil, but I did that recently, so I like switching my oils. I switch my oils from time to time. I don't use the same oil over and over again. So today I will be using my avocado oil, and after I put it on my scalp, I just massage it in for a few seconds, and then run my hands down my braids again to ensure that the moisture is getting into my braids and getting to my hair. And basically I follow that same process. I spray my hair with the water and the tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is good for itchy scalp, it's good for braids. And then after that, I go in with the avocado oil directly on my scalp, massage, and I do that on my whole head. So after I do that, I need to seal in the moisture in my braids, and I go in with another oil that I really love. I've used it since I was young, and my hair loves it, and it's Dax. But I mix my Dax with some amla. So I put some amla into the Dax, and I mix it up. I don't know if it's Dax or Dax. Yeah, I mix it up. Then I take a medium amount. I don't want to say small. I take enough, so it's kind of like medium. So I take a medium amount and I rub it on my palms, and then I smooth it through my braids. This is to lock in the moisture so that when I go at the water that I've just put into my hair, the moisture that I've just put into my hair doesn't evaporate. We use oils as a sealant, and it's very important to make sure you put oil after um, your liquid. That's what seals in the moisture and keeps your hair moisturized for, well, a little bit longer. I don't want to say forever or like for a long time, but for a little bit longer, especially now because in Nairobi it's very, very, very hot. And I feel like in braids, my hair is actually a little bit more exposed to the elements, because like the braids is it's like it has sectioned my hair, and this way I find myself losing the moisture that I put into my hair so quickly, and I have to moisturize my braids like 3 to 4 times a week. Otherwise it's dry, it feels like dusty. But after I do this, I feel my braids they feel softer, they feel so much better. And they even look better. They don't look dry. Okay, so I smooth in the oil all over my braids to seal in that oil, and I repeat the same process on the other side. Once I'm done doing that on both sides of my head, I like to massage my scalp. Scalp massages are important for hair growth because they stimulate like the blood flow to your scalp, and the blood brings nutrients to your hair follicles, and this is what helps your hair grow. It can help you increase length, it can help you increase improve the health of your hair, and overall it's really, really relaxing. So when I'm doing the scalp massage, um I like to bend to sort of like do the inversion method, because the blood now flows towards my head, so I'm increasing the amount of blood flow. And I massage my scalp in this position for around 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. It depends on how much time I have. You're spreading the oils as you do this, you're stimulating your scalp as you do this. And honestly, I've been doing this for I think 3 weeks. I got these braids 3 weeks ago, and I have recorded so much length. My hair is growing so fast. I've never seen it grow in this kind of way before. So it's really important to moisturize your braids. I know most people don't do that, because braiding is a protective style, and when you braid the mentality is you're supposed to like not handle your hair at all, like it's already in a protective style. But that's not true. You need to moisturize it even in that state. And I like to do this before I shower and dress, because after I massage my scalp, I put it in a bun to ensure that the moisture that I've just put into my hair doesn't evaporate. There's enough time for my hair to absorb this moisture before I go out. So I think it's also really good to give your hair that period of time to absorb the moisture. Otherwise, it's gonna evaporate before your hair has the time to take in the moisture that you have given it. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Do you moisturize your hair? Have you tried it? How do you feel afterwards? And yeah, let me know.